Welcome back to the Civil Rights Lawyer channel. Imagine that there was a police officer out there who, in uniform, on duty in a marked police car, is stopping and searching people illegally looking for drugs in order to fuel his own personal drug addiction. And imagine that he's doing this with his body cam recording.
You gotta have that temp tag down, man. Temp tag needs to be down lower. Sit in the car. Get in the car. That's expired, is it not? Can I be any more clear to you? I got the... You need to have license plates on your car. You got anything illegal in the car? Spread your feet. What's your buddy got in your car? What is this?
On the evening of July 5th, 2019, Minneapolis Police Department officer Ty Gindra followed a vehicle driven by an African-American male to a gas station. Gindra's body cam video shows him confront the driver about the vehicle not having an affixed license plate, though a temporary tag was visible in the back window and a license plate was visible on the back window ledge.
You gotta have that temp tag down, man. Temp tag needs to be down lower.
While the driver repeatedly asks what he did, Gindra questions him about not having a license plate on the car and notes that the temporary tag on the window is expired in an increasingly confrontational tone.
Is it up high? 625? Why don't you just sit in the car? What'd I do? 625? Sit in the car. Get in the car. That's expired, is it not? Well, what did I do? Sit in your car. Sit in your car.
Despite the driver's attempts to direct Gindra to the license plate sitting on the window ledge, Gindra demands the driver's license and proof of insurance.
To the car. All right, I'll take your license and your proof of insurance. What did I do? 65, a suspicious vehicle. You stand over there.
Prior to receipt of any documents from the driver raising any concerns, Gindra notifies dispatch that he has stopped an unlicensed and suspicious vehicle.
At the BP station, 3rd Nicollet, it's an unlicensed vehicle, sir. Hey, I need your license and proof of insurance. Your temp tag is expired. Can I be any more clear to you? I got the registrations right there. That's what I was trying to tell you. You need to have license plates on your car.
While the driver continues his attempts to show Gindra the license plate in the car, Gindra threatens to put him in handcuffs if the driver doesn't give Gindra his license and registration.
Give me your license and your proof of insurance, or you're going in handcuffs. God damn. All my registration tags is back there. No proof of insurance?
At last point, maybe at 3rd and Franklin. I don't believe there's a BP at 3rd and Nicollet.
After receipt of an identification card rather than a driver's license, Gindra directs the driver to step out of the vehicle, pat searches and handcuffs him, and places him in the rear of his police car.
Yeah, I'm at 3rd and Franklin. All right, step on the car.
Copy.
Throw him, translator back.
In 5050, start to Sackable. Copy.
Why are you driving without a license, man? Huh? That's kind of stupid, isn't it?
Should we clear target for you? That on your phone. Copy.
Let's go. You got anything illegal in the car? Spread your feet. Take a seat. 6580, I'm code 4.
Copy, code 4, 2257.
Gindra then proceeds to search his car, including the driver's wallet.
532 is clear. Copy.
Hi, can I help you?
Copy. 120. We'll be out on Wednesday. I'll keep on the please.
We'll copy your code for 2301. Copy.
While searching the passenger side front door, Jindra locates an item of interest and inspects what appears to be a folded up piece of currency with something inside of it. Jindra then takes the item to his squad car and asks the driver what it is. The driver responds that he does not know.
What's your buddy got in your car? What is it? What is this? Huh? What does that look like to you? You don't know? No idea, huh? What would you guess it'd be?
I have no idea.
You have no idea? Alright, I'll just tell your fucking car.
That's not mine.
The contents of the item are not visible from the body cam video.
You were the one right here, weren't you?
Yeah, I was.
Yeah, put your hands behind your back.
For what?
Put your hands behind your back, right now.
For what?
After threatening to tow the driver's vehicle and accosting a bystander whom he accuses of interacting with the driver, Jindra releases the driver and instructs him to put his license plates on the vehicle.
I'm just using the car.
Alright.
And that's why I was trying to explain to you that the plates is, and the registrations is all right there in the window.
Alright.
Can I show you?
I'm gonna give you a break. You have a license, you know that, right?
Yes, but because I was just using my brother's car. Can I show you the plates?
Go ahead.
I'll show you.
The driver again tries to explain that he received his license plates that day.
The guy who he bought the car from, he told my brother, he said, don't put them on until June 2nd. He said, don't put them on until...
Well, it's July.
Oh, well, yeah, I know. But he been having a car sitting.
Alright.
Jindra responds that he's going to give the driver a break because the driver does not have a license.
Well, put them on.
Should have a yellow tag then.
And he just
I just pulled off because it was expired a month ago.
That's what I'm saying. It's my brother's car. I didn't...
Alright.
I just farmed.
Alright.
Alright.
Alright. Thanks, guys.
Appreciate you.
What's that?
Jindra did not ticket the driver for not having a license or proof of insurance, nor did he document that he had searched the driver's car and recovered an item that he suspected to be narcotics. It's unclear what happened to the folded up currency and its contents. Despite the driver's lack of driver's license and proof of insurance, Jindra did not have a lawful basis to handcuff him and search his vehicle for those traffic-related violations. So that's what happened. How do we know that it happened that way? Because everything I just said, everything I just told you, I took out of the court documents from the federal prosecution of officer or former officer Jindra. He has now been found guilty of 5 federal counts, including confiscating drugs for his personal use, as well as violating the civil rights of 2 people, including this individual that you saw on this video. He was sentenced on June 8th of this year, and he was sentenced to 38 months in prison. He's now being held at a low-security federal prison in Loretto, Pennsylvania. What is he doing? He's targeting people that he thinks might have drugs. Why? Because he doesn't think there's going to be any accountability for it, because if he finds somebody who's in possession of something illegal, he doesn't think that they're going to go complain about it. And that's often what bad cops do, is they will steal money or drugs from somebody they think is a criminal. A happy ending, but don't kid yourself. You know this is happening elsewhere. So be vigilant And if somebody doesn't believe you that there are bad cops out there, you can show them and share with them this video. And if you like to look at videos like this and learn about constitutional rights, police misconduct, etc., please subscribe both here and at the blog at thecivilrightslawyer.com. The most important thing here was this body cam footage. That's why we need to promote the filming of government-citizen interactions as much as possible. Why? Because freedom is scary. Deal with it.